English is one of the most important languages in the world today. It is spoken by millions of people across many countries. Whether you are traveling, studying, working, or using the internet, English can help you in many ways. Let's explore why English is so important in today's world. English is a global language because people from different countries use it to talk to each other. If you go to a different country, you may not know their local language, but you can often use English to communicate. In airports, hotels, and tourist places, English is the most common language. It helps people from different cultures connect easily. Many of the world's best books, research papers, and educational materials are written in English. If you know English, you can study in top universities and learn from the best teachers. Most online courses are also in English. Whether you want to learn science, business, or technology, knowing English gives you access to more knowledge. Today, many businesses work with people from different cultures and countries. English is the common language for international business. If you can speak English well, you have more chances to get a good job. Companies often look for workers who can talk and write in English because it helps them grow in the global market. Knowing English can help you get promotions and better salaries. Much of today's technology, websites, apps, and software is created in English. If you know English, it becomes easier to use computers, smartphones, and the internet. You can learn new skills, research, and search for information and use social media more effectively. English also helps you understand the latest news and trends from around the world. In the world of science, English is very important. Scientists share their research and discoveries in English. If you want to study medicine, engineering, or environmental sciences, you will find that most information is in English. Being able to read and understand scientific information in English gives you a big advantage. Traveling becomes easier when you know English, whether you are asking for directions, booking a hotel, or ordering food. English helps you communicate. In many countries, even if English is not the first language, people learn it as a second language. It makes traveling more enjoyable and safe because you can ask for help when needed. Knowing English allows you to meet people from different parts of the world. You can make new friends, share ideas, and learn about new cultures. Speaking English can also make you feel more confident in international events, meetings, and social gatherings. Many popular movies, TV shows, songs, and books are in English. If you know English, you can enjoy these in their original form without needing translations. You need and you can understand jokes, emotions, and stories better. This also helps you improve your English skills while having fun. Learning and using English can also make you smarter. Studies show that people who speak more than one language have better memory, problem solving skills, and creativity. Learning English helps you think in new ways and improves your ability to learn other things. In many parts of the world, people see English as a tool for success. Whether you want to do business, work abroad, or study in a foreign university, English opens the door to new opportunities. It gives you more choices in life and helps you reach your dreams. English is not just another language, it is a bridge that connects people across the world. It helps you in education, business, travel, technology, and entertainment. In today's world, knowing English gives you a powerful advantage. It gives you the confidence to explore, learn, and succeed. If you are thinking about learning English, remember it is one of the best gifts you can give to yourself for a brighter future. Thanks for watching.